Hi, I'm Duncan, the technical trainer at Enphase. Now today I'm going to show you how to set up the Enphase app. First off, check your inbox for a welcome email from Enphase. This email is automatically sent 24 hours after your system has been set up, and it is sent to your email address that you provided your solar installer. Now if you haven't received it after 24 hours, please contact your installer directly to verify your contact details. Once you receive the email, follow the activation steps and set a password. Be sure to take note of your password as you will need it to log in to your Enphase app. Next, download the Enphase app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Then, simply log in using your email address as the username and the password you just set up. Now that's it, you're good to go. For more details on how to use the Enphase app, be sure to check out the Enphase app features and benefits video in our Enphase 101 series. And thanks for watching.